TCP is a connection-oriented, reliable protocol. It guarantees delivery by using sequence numbers and retransmitting lost packets, which requires more overhead and resources. UDP is connectionless and unreliable, offering minimal overhead and low latency, making it suitable for real-time applications like voice traffic. Therefore, the answer to this question is shown in the figure above. The binary subnet mask 111111111.111111111.11111111000 has 29 consecutive 1 bits. This matches the CIDR notation /29, which directly represents the number of 1 bits in the mask. Therefore, this question chooses A. Ethernet links require matching speed settings to come up. If the two ends are configured with different speeds, the physical layer cannot establish a connection, resulting in both ports remaining in the down status. Therefore, this question chooses A. IPv6 addressing uses a vastly larger address space, eliminating the need for public IPv4 addresses for every device, thus preserving the public IPv4 space. PAT with private internal addressing allows multiple internal users to share a single public IPv4 address, effectively conserving the limited public IPv4 address pool. Therefore, this question chooses AB. To meet the requirements, the subnet mask must be /27.255.255.255.224, which provides 30 usable hosts per subnet. The first subnet's range is 192.168.32.0-192.168.32.31, so the last usable host IP is 192.168.32.30. As a layer 3 interface, the command no switch port is required to enable routing. Therefore, this question chooses C. TCP is a connection-oriented protocol that guarantees reliable data transmission, making it suitable for tasks like file sharing, where data integrity is critical. UDP is connectionless, offering best effort delivery with low overhead and minimal latency, which is ideal for real-time streaming applications. Therefore, the answer to this question is shown in the figure above. Private addressing allows an organization to subnet addresses in an organized, hierarchical way for efficient internal network management. It also segments local IP addresses from the global routing table, reducing public IPv4 address usage and limiting direct exposure of internal hosts to the public internet. Therefore, this question chooses AC. Each DNS record type serves a specific purpose. AAAA maps host names to IPv6 addresses. CNAME creates aliases. NS points to authoritative name servers. PTR enables reverse lookups. SOA defines domain administrative info, including the serial number. Therefore, the answer to this question is shown in the figure above. Both 10G-base-SR and 10G-base-LR are 10 gigabit Ethernet standards that use fiber optic media. They do not use UTP cables, and while they use different fiber types, multi-mode versus single mode, they both rely on fiber for transmission. Therefore, this question chooses C. IPv6 address types are defined by their prefixes. 3F is a global unicast range. F80 is reserved for link local addresses. F05 is a multicast address. FDS60 falls under the unique local range, identified by the FD prefix. Therefore, the answer to this question is shown in the figure above.
If you need this certification question bank, leave a comment in the comment section with 1, 2, 3, and I'll give it to you for free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.